Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12, and this fits the iPhone 12 Pro, the Pro Max, and the Mini. All right. Now this is a Forza case made by Clayco. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Clayco Forza Series Case for iPhone 12 Pro Max, 6.7 inch. You can also use this for the 12 Pro and the 6.1 inch 12 iPhone 12 and the 5.4 mini. So they have cases for all of those. All right, here's some pictures right there. It's got a built-in screen protector, Magsafe. It works with Magsafe, they said, and it's protective. Okay, $17.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's go ahead and pull out one of the cases. This is the box right here, Clayco branding on there, not much else on the box. I haven't used their cases before, so I'm not sure if they're a new company or what, but let's pull out. This is the case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right, you got some cards in there, tell you how to put it on and all that. Let's put that to the side, and let's get this plastic off. Okay, so here's the case right here. It's got that frosted back, kind of like, and so it's not a clear back, it's kind of frosted looking back. TPU sides, you got a built-in screen protector right there, and your mute button is covered, 5 down rocker right there. Your charging port is covered, speaker openings right there, and you got your power button. You got a Clayco branding right there, and not much else on the side. You got the back area is kind of thin, but you got this raised area on the corners that's going to keep this back off of the surface, so your camera's going to be protected there, and you got some bolstered corners there for drop protection. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take this apart. Normally you're going to pull it right here in the corner. That's where you separate it at, right? I'll go ahead and do that and put this on the device. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I got the plastic off of the device, so we get ready to put it together. I'm going to show that to you while we're doing that. Now, this looks smoke on the back. It's not frosted. It looks smoke when you take it off of the when you're looking at it from this view right here. I like that. I like the way that looks. But you're going to put this in first. Put this front cover on the front of the device, and then we're going to slide this into the TPU area right here and get it seated inside the device. We're going to make sure all the rubber, the TPU is around the polycarbonate area to get the seal that you need to make sure it works well. See how that's pulling all around there? It's not fully there. So you get that all around the sides to make sure everything is seated well. And when you take it apart, you're going to see that gap right there and use that to separate it. But nice looking case, and it's not too heavy when you put it on the device, and it looks good. I like the way it looks, and you're going to get some protection there. You can see you can get to the charging port right there. Everything lines up. Close that up to get some protection there. No dust in there. And you got your your mute switch right here. That opens up as well. You see that? And the camera is protected. You got a raised area right there, so there's no problem there. You're not going to have a problem with the camera. Plus, you got this raised area right there. Okay, but this is a good case. Good protection. Adds a little bit of bulk to the device, especially width-wise. On the front end, not too thick. It was what you would expect with a screen protector on it, and but you're going to get some 360-degree protection with this on your device. All right. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12. This is 6.1 inch. Same look there, but the same 360 protection. I think this is a good case. I like the way it fits. If you want that, if you're the kind of person that drops your phone a lot and you want to protect the screen, this is going to be a nice case for you. Okay. And this is the Mini. You got one for the Mini as well. Okay. Pretty small there, but you got some protection for it as well. Okay. Now, wireless charging does work on these cases, and the manufacturer says that mag charge will work as well. Okay, so no need to worry there. Okay. Okay, so that was a quick look at a case made by Clayco for the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the iPhone Mini. Now, this is a 360-degree protective case. It's called the Forza Series. And I think it's a pretty good case. All right. Now, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.